Hello and welcome to gfxtoday.com and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to model a 3D airplane. So on GFX Today website here we made a tutorial on demand and someone requested a tutorial about modeling planes. So be sure to keep posting in here and I'll do your requests. So be sure to stay with me. My name is Abanoob and this is gfxtoday.com. Now the first thing you're gonna need to make an airplane is a blueprint like this. So this has a good quality, and this plane called Douglas DC-10. So if you need this airplane you can get it from so many ways. Actually the first is this website here, the-blueprints.com, and if you go to their website and come here and type Douglas this one, just remove this and press enter and just go down like here, and here it is. Just press on it and you should find it here, and you can buy it with 12 credits. I don't know how is this in US dollars, but anyway you will have to buy it. Also there is another way you can do it, and you can just go to Google Images and press Douglas DC-10, press enter and order it by larger sites first, and just go down a little bit and whoops, here it is. And now we're not stealing anything, or maybe you're stealing anything, I don't know. It's just full. If you just go here and full images, you'll see that you get it for free. Woohoo! I don't know. Anyway, just get this blueprint like here. Maybe some smart people will just capture screenshot here and screenshot here from this video and say okay, I'm smart, I got it. Anyway, it's your choice. Of course, go to just do the right thing. Now let's go to Photoshop, double click here, open our blueprint, and now select tool, take this one, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl N new, and press OK. Maybe we'll need to make this just like that. Press OK and Ctrl V. Okay, great. Now Ctrl S, save, and let's call this left, center. Now let's go here and go to there, take this same one, and maybe let's go up a little bit. Okay, now Ctrl C, Ctrl N, and same size actually. It's okay, and Ctrl V. Now you got it. So just a little bit of Photoshop, you can delete this one, delete this website for now. I'm not deleting any identity or anything, but we just don't need it in our tutorial. So just Ctrl Shift S, call it front, first JPEG and front. It's okay, okay, and let's go here again, select tool, go from here to like there, and make sure this is from the beginning here to the beginning, and you take the whole plan. Now press Ctrl C, Ctrl N. It should be 800 and it's 700. It's okay. Ctrl V, and the same thing goes for here. Delete this, delete that one, .s and JPEG, and let's call this top. Press enter, and we're finished from the blueprints. Now let's go to 3D Studio Max and choose plan. Go to the top view, make a plan, make sure length and width are equal to 1, and it's now with meters, so let me change the unit setup to just generic units. And for this one I'm going to choose 700 by 800. Okay, so we'll scale this later. So let's press M, bring up our material editor and choose a bitmap, select our top view image, and this image maybe I'll use it later to just as a reference to our, to see how things are really look like. And you can just go to Google and just type Douglas DC-10 plan, and it will come up with a whole list of images. So here we have our plan, and it looks really cute, but it looks ugly. And why is this happening? The solution is really simple. Just go to customize and go to preferences, viewports, configure driver, and make sure these two are just the most. Press OK and press OK, and now we will have to close and open 3ds Max from the beginning. So I'll do this. Okay, so now after starting 3D Studio Max, let's open our file one more time, and as you can see now, it's really cool. I really love plans. And by the way, this is a bottom view from the plane, not a top view, but we'll just use it as a top view because they are already the same. Now let's make another plane. So go to the left view and make one, and make sure this is exactly on the center. And now let's change this 250 and 800. Enter. So now we have made this one, and press M again, choose our left material, press apply. Here we go. And I don't know, maybe we'll need the front view, and maybe not. We'll just put it here just in case we need it. So I'll make another plan, and the same thing. Oops again. Okay. Hey, what's up? I'm just trying to be. Anyway, okay, so here we have our full plans. Now the hard part is you need to align everything here together. So first go to the front view and press F3, see through, and I was going to press the G to hide these grids, but actually I need them, and I need to, you see this circle here, I need to align this, the bottom of this circle with this bold line here. So just here it is, and make sure it's exactly right here. Okay, just here, and try to make this plane exactly on the center. So this one here is like so. I don't know, maybe just a little bit to left. Okay, I don't know about this one. So we are just working on this circle here, and it's okay. Now let's go to the left view and let's do the same thing. Just try to move it away a little bit and align this here. The front view, maybe perspective. Now the top view, let's go down and again just align those two lines together. I think this needs to be rotated a little bit, so I'll just rotate it a little. There is no a little bit. Oops. Okay. Yes. Okay, great. Now let's take this up like so. Okay, I think this is good for now. And now we need to align these ones and make sure they are identical. So if you go to here, you'll see that this line ends with this line. Okay, so good. Let's take this. Now there is some big mistake here. We'll need to rotate this one just 90 degrees this direction. Okay, now this looks good, and we need to align those two exactly together. We can hide this for now and just go down like this and make sure that this top edge is exactly on the top edge of this one. I know we took so much time in this part, but because this is the most important part in modeling, now let's make sure from the tail and it's aligned perfectly. So now we're good to go. Depends on where we want our plane to be, and I want it to be here. So now let's unhide all, and now let's align this one. Okay, on this line over here. Okay, and now we can just take each one so far away, and now let's start our modeling. So I'm going to start with a cylinder to make the body of this plane. Just first thing, I want to select all of these, right click and click option properties, and make sure to check this big face skull and freeze and show frozen gray. Just uncheck this one. So now this will make us see what's happening here and makes it disappear so that we can work smoothly. Now press cylinder, go to the front view, can hide our grids, and let's go to here and make our cylinder, align it. Now go to the left view and we'll try to match this. As you can see, there are some guidelines here, so we'll go to this guideline and increase height, and then maybe before we convert it to editable poly, we'll need to increase the sides convert to editable poly. You can take this one and bevel. Go to like this line here, press OK, and we need to adjust this to like there. Make another one. You can see this line here. It's okay. Now I need to just give it a default material and press Alt X to see through to know what's going on. And now let's scale it down, make sure it's uniform scaling, and make a bevel again. Go to this line, decrease the outline amount to maybe like so, press enter and go down to like here, maybe just decrease it a little bit more, and one more time, go to here, just decrease the outline amount, something like so, and go down, and this part is what's left. So how will we do it? Press Alt X again, and now let's make a sphere. Make sure this auto grid is on and try to go to the center of the circle and make just a regular sphere. Now if you remember, this cylinder had 27 segments, so I'll need to make this sphere the same segments as this one, and let's go here, Alt X again, and let's decrease the radius of this one and put it on position, and need to just raise it a little bit like so. Now let's convert this sphere to editable poly, and let's go to this one and choose these segments and press delete. So now we've deleted this one, okay, and Alt X. Now select this sphere, go to the left view and delete these segments. Try to scale it down to match this as possible as you can. Now we can apply an FFD modifier to it. Maybe another one, 3 by 3. Okay, I think this shape is the best. Let's convert it to editable poly again, and now we will need to attach this one to this one. First, let me give it a standard material, and it already has it. Anyway, press attach, press on this one, and don't care about this material. And maybe I need to just pull this a little bit here, choose these vertices and okay, go to the front view and I align it exactly to here. Now choose these vertices and weld and just increase this amount till they are welding together like this, and now we're good to go. Now let's go to the tail of the plane and let's start modeling it. Maybe you can just delete this one and we can select these ones, only this, and it will be easier to just press shift and pull this to like see here, press Alt X and scale it down. Take this to here and one more time. Lift it up, maybe just a little bit more, and do it here again. Okay, and now this area we can do the same thing we did with the nose here, but we can just take this one, let's see, these ones, and press shift, get them to here, just copy it to another object and select it, rotate. We need to put this on the center and rotate it exactly 180 degrees and put it in there. Now just attach this one to this one, select those ones. Maybe you'll need to, I don't know, just scale it down a little bit. Go to the front view and the left view here. Now select our vertices and weld them together, and now it's good to go. We can make any adjustments on this if we want. Can, I don't know, select this one, maybe soft selection, increase the amount and take this to down here maybe. Okay, okay, so now let's put another segments to our model. So choose these ones, press connect and increase this. Go down here, do the same with these ones. Now go to here, same thing. maybe one more here. Let's take a look at the whole thing, and I think it looks pretty. So now we are ready to apply a mesh smooth. So go to mesh smooth here, and we have it, and let's increase it by 2. Now our model is really smooth and cool. And now for the nose here, we need to adjust it because I don't like this area. Feels like something wrong going on here. So we can just delete these ones and it will fix our problem. Press backspace, or sorry, control backspace to delete the first C's and the edges. And now let's try this again, and it's now smooth and it looks really cool. So now let's start with the wings, and I don't know, maybe in the next time, it's like half an hour now. So okay, we'll continue modeling this airplane in the next part of this tutorial. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and just keep watching gfxtoday.com for more, more great tutorials, and maybe later we'll just make an animation and crash this plane into the ground and so much cool stuff. So thank you for watching. I am Apanope and this is gfxtoday.com.